Here's an aerial view of the front of the home. Around the side here you can see the 3-car garage and lots of pavement to do turnarounds. Here's the view from the street. Take a quick look at the neighborhood. And we're heading up the stairs. This is the guest entrance. And here we are up top at the front porch. It's quite spacious. A number of seating areas available here. And the porch actually wraps around the house here. Beautiful trees, some larches, some quaking aspens, overlooking the vacant lot in front, which I believe is a common area, so will not be developed. And from here we're heading in the home. And here's the view through the front door. View of the great room. You can see the river rock is repeated throughout the home. It kind of becomes the theme. Nice, elegant, and rustic. It's a beautiful view of the golf course out the doors. We'll come back and see that in a bit. Here's the dining room open to the kitchen. And a view back toward the entrance. You can see there's an office up front and either a formal dining area or informal seating area, piano area. They just used it as seating. A quick view of the kitchen. And I think we're going to come back around and take a look at the pantry. Yes, we are. Here you go. It's kind of a step in. Lots of storage. Gas top, nice open island overlooking the great room, the dining room. A couple little pups, neither of which convey. From here we're going to take a closer look at the dining room area, formal area. Nice great window, bringing in lots of light. The front door. From here we're going to go check out the office. Lots of light in here, some wonderful views while you're working. And heading back in. Straight ahead, that's the guest quarters, but we're going to duck in here to take a look at the master suite first. But first of all, here's powder room, right off the great room, which is really convenient. That's just a closet. So we step through that into the master suite. Here's the master bedroom. Open to the bathroom. Views out the back and then a door to the back porch. From here we're going to take a look at the master bathroom. Double sinks, sunken tub. And a walk-in shower. Take a quick peek behind the glass here. There we go. And here's a potty closet. Check that out real quick. And the walk-in closet. Lots of light in here. That's a solar tube bringing in all the natural light. From here we're heading back into the great room. And we're going to go across here and take a look at the guest suite. Here's guest bedroom number 1, which opens to the shared bathroom. You'll see that from the other bedroom as well. And here's guest bedroom number 2. And a door to the same bathroom. From here we're going to go straight down to the right. Here is the laundry room. Sink and cabinets, some storage. And here is the garage. 3-car garage. Lots of space. A couple of cars here, a little golf cart around the back, which is convenient heading over to the club, which is quite close. And heading back into the great room here, we're going to step outside and take a look at the backyard. A nice pergola with some party lights, artificial turf at the pub. The backyard is fully fenced in. You can see the wrought iron fence. All designed for very low maintenance, all in a drip system. Nice covered back porch here, back patio. That dog also does not convey. Some red leaf plum trees. And as we hop the little dog fence there, you can see the back of the home and the back patio, all nice and covered and shady. There's a view around the side of the home. You go around there, you'll hit the garage. And a view of the golf course. It is number 5. Straight ahead there is the green. And that's it.